Here is this interesting app called Mooze, relaxing and anti-stress. If you have some stressful times, periods, you can download apps like that, and then yeah, it's quite interesting for iPhone. It can be quite relaxing actually. So yeah, if you're overcome by anxiety and stress, try to relax using our app. Choose an anti-stress slime, tap and stretch it as real time with SMR sound. Most features a variety of soothing sounds to help you breathe, get sleep, and calm down. Realistic simulator, colorful slimes, clean and safe, satisfying sound. So yeah, you can just open it up, and here you have the app. And then yeah, that's basically what it is. So for example, relieve stress, you can select what types of textures do you like best. Light particles of food or nature. You can choose sounds, you can skip that, and then it will just adjust. And then they offer $5 per week. It's not that cheap. Can allow notifications. Then you can just go to account, and there are settings. You can disable whatever. Just for this video, I'll just disable music. And then yeah, here.
Here is the Chat GPT hack that will change your life. Now you can have Chat GPT.
Unfortunately, as you can see, there are all these annoying ads. And then this is how it looks like. Then you can just basically move. Yeah, and that's basically the idea. So yeah, that's what it is. That's how it works. Then magic ring.
Here is the Chat GPT
But then you
hack.
need to watch other types of ads. So basically, you got the idea. You can adjust, of course, it for yourself. There are much better textures. But yeah, that's the app. Unfortunately, yeah, if you want to use it a lot, probably you will need to upgrade because these ads make it unusable. So yeah, but that's this.